Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk Time. Today we are going to talk about cloud security. Almost everything we use today runs in the cloud. Our data, our applications, AI models, and even critical infrastructures. But here's the big questions. If our data lives on someone else's computer, how it is actually protected? Is cloud security just firewalls? Is the cloud more secure or less secure than on-prem system and infrastructures? In the next 10 minutes, I'll break down what cloud security really means, what it includes, and why it matters. My name is Dr. Abdoli, and this is Tech Talk Time. The first question, what is cloud security? Cloud security is the set of technologies, policies, and practices that we use to protect data, applications, infrastructures, and users, and when they run actually in the cloud. And that includes public clouds like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud and Workspace. And also it includes the private and hybrid cloud environments. So cloud security isn't just a single tool. It is shared responsibility across many layers. This brings us to the very important concept in cloud security, which we call the shared responsibility model. This is actually one of the most misunderstood ideas. So what it means? In simple words, it means in the cloud, the provider secures the cloud. And you, as a cloud customer, will be securing what is in the cloud. So cloud provider handles physical data centers, hardware, power, cooling system, networking infrastructure, and all core infrastructure, and everything physical in it. But you, as a customer of the cloud, will be responsible for user access, data protection, configurations of your computing devices and machines, and also responsible for application security. You know that most cloud breaches don't happen because AWS or Microsoft Azure failed. They happen because something was misconfigured by the user. This brings us to a topic or a concept in cloud security which we call IAM. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. So in the cloud, there's no traditional network perimeter. Security is built around who you are and what are you allowed to do. And basically, IAM includes users, roles, permissions, and service accounts. The key ideas of IAM includes least privilege, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access. If an attacker gets access to a system in a cloud or cloud infrastructure, mostly and often it's not because they hack in. It is because actually they log in using some credential. The next important topic in cloud security is data security, which include encryption and storage. So your data in the cloud must be protected in whichever state it is. It could be at rest, it could be in transit, or sometimes while being processed. So data protection includes encryption, key management, and secure storage services. And common risks in the area of data storage and protection are public storage buckets, weak access policies, and poor key management. Cloud security is often less about attacker breaking in and more about preventing credential exposure. The next important topic in cloud security is networking and infrastructure security. Even though the networking in the cloud is not similar to traditional networking, still the networking security matters in the cloud security and sometimes matters more than traditional network security. So network security in the cloud includes virtual networks, firewalls, and security groups, network segmentation, and zero trust architecture, which is a new technology and concept in security. So instead of basically protecting a building, you are protecting workload and services. And the goal in network security in the cloud is to limit what can talk to what and why. The next concept in the cloud security is monitoring, logging, and detection. Cloud environment changes constantly. That's why visibility is very critical. Cloud security relies heavily on logs, metrics, alerts, and automated detection. Security team monitors suspicious logins, permission changes, data access pattern, and unexpected workload in the network. This is where AI and automation are increasingly used to spot threat early in the network and systems in the cloud. And this brings us to common cloud security mistakes. Most cloud security failures comes from misconfigured access controls, exposed storage, hard-coded credential within codes, lack of monitoring, and finally, assuming the provider of the cloud handle everything. So most cloud security failures come from, for example, misconfigured access control. So you give a user, normally a regular user, an access that it is not required, namely admin access. Or you may misconfigure the storage devices and buckets and mistakenly expose them to public internet. Or one of the other common issues with the cloud security is lack of monitoring. So you don't have an intrusion detection system or intrusion prevention systems in the cloud that let you have some visibility in the cloud. And finally, when you're basically using the cloud from those providers, you're assuming that the cloud provider will secure everything for you, which is not actually the case. So this brings us to the end of this talk. To summarize, cloud security isn't just one tool. It is actually an ongoing process that involves identity, data, network monitoring, and people. As more systems move to the cloud, security moves from hardware to configuration, identity, and software. So here's my question for you. What do you think is the biggest cloud security risk today? Is it technology or human misconfiguration? Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this in the future.